Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop in the application of WhatsApp. You will go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about WhatsApp. Then this page of app info, you will click on Forcestop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of WhatsApp. And then here you can update your app if you find updates. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.